Sabre uko pimu presidential communications a omo de krata tenten abeto dwa concerning the 6 match edi anim ya ba ebuchafo omo de letter about abonte omo chimu Ghana for aban eboka ewoye on the 6 match celebration ni anniversary ye koso bia on the 6 match afi bia ye di no chese omo chimu na sika komi na His Excellency John Mahama ene na aban eden sama beto dwa ewo krata mu ene ma be kan krata na mwati enseme wu mu na message ne dey dikanya over this platform, so I'll subscribe to this platform now. I'll subscribe and share like this video so sebeya bibi abekọ to dem na afi ma memfo munra and somewhere His Excellency any na by able to dwa concerning the 6 match I did me eba so na topic was activities to commemorate the 68th Independence Day anniversary. Was it to commemorate Ghana's 68th Independence Day anniversary? The National Celebrating Planning Committee, which is the NCPC, has finalized activities for the period. Now, the planned activities are also commemoration of the 28th February crossroad shooting incident on Friday, February 28th, 2025. 2. Finals of a national school quiz competition on Sunday, March 2nd, 2025. Finals of a national debate competition on Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. President School Children Awards program on Wednesday, March 5th, 2025. Ceremonial parade at the forecourts of the presidency on Thursday, March 6th, 2025. 28th February event. Beginning of the week, the communications subcommittee of the NCPC will roll out an information and education content for television, radio and social media ahead of the February 28th ref laying ceremony. With this new approach, we would hope to reset the interest and participation of the youth and the general population in the significant national event whilst remembering and honoring our heroes. To this end, we will be sharing interesting historical content on the happening leading up to 28th February 1948 shooting of 3 ex-servicemen. The communications subcommittee will host an X-space communication conversation on the changing face of civil protest in Ghana, lessons from the past and present. Radio, television, and online print media are encouraged to host and publish conversation to promote the anniversary theme and other activities to deepen public participation. The ref laying ceremony will take place at the Nationalism Park at 8 a.m. on February 28, 2025. The event will be broadcast live and streamed on multiple platforms. We encourage the media, bloggers, and public to actively participate by sharing information with your viewers, listeners, and readers. We will look forward to your participation and engagement. Will update you on remaining activities at a later date. Somewhere a free president's communications. Na so ye ede ba bonti amochemu the 6 match activities no nyoma because of busu e na making kan e wahadia atudwa mamono na mochemu we di enema bibiri asesa enema bibiri asesa wom mochemu activities e because no ba ko commemoration of the 28th February crossroad shooting na jese wochemu Ghana ya bakose mu no services you can say men are no some or my nipa me yensa ye shutu omo e wo ye crossroad na bushia ye be kai omo on the celebration day, that is on the 28th of this month any activities e be koso na oba March 2nd abushia bosum ye di animu no and also ometima national quiz competition Sunday March 2nd and after so obemesa debate competition and also March 4th and a president so emofra awards and also a program on the March 5th and after 6 match no 6 match na ankasa Rebecca omokoji o my Ghana siwo ani efa hodi na wosan bomu a omosan chimu 28th February bosum ye a ye wo mu ye no the 28th omo ebeboa no masha ama TV stations any radio stations any baby a yitime kan news any baby yitime hwa yi bia no omotimi approject the reason why this is match no de atodwa na afei nkofuku bi so a wonnam wonso ma yenya afahodi o ma yemu no omo so yakai won ewo ye 20 if na ya kopem ye 6 match no we krata mo de aba bonten a mo chemu a bloggers any omo create content on the social media space no omo mo ana omo achidifo ana say nkofo a ye kan say followers no omo so entimi ehu dia amampani ene na aba pese omo ye on the 6 match no na ye entimi so enye den emo ye ho nka ye say nkofo bi ene na won so na ne ye de ye ho ayeti omo ye we krata aba bonten from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na aba ya mo de todwa concerning the 6 match e dey. Make sure you subscribe to this platform. If today is your first time, kindly put out some post notifications so there be any update. Stick to the superstar with the and 70 number somewhere Kama Studios. But I was say what brand watching. Subscribe it. Say there be ya afibia any ebribia ye video but so for the 10 times to be an obenye bi ahwe. But I was say so what brand. I am your favorite and youngest content creator. I go by the name Stick to the Superstar. I'm finally out.